Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a contact in Zoho CRM. Contacts are essential for managing customers' relationships. So let's dive in. Now the first step is to navigate to the contacts model. Before you do that, you have to log into Zoho CRM. And to do so, just open your browser and go to crm.zoho.com here. Once the website appears, just enter your account credentials, but if you already logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. While I'm waiting for the connectivity to, let's refresh it to see if it works. Here it is. Now from here, click on the contacts model right here on the top left corner in the sidebar. And for the second step is to add contact details. Click plus new contacts or create new contacts here. And enter informations like name, first owner, first name, account name, email, phone, other phone, etc. Last name is required. All these fields are secondary, but the last name is required. After you finish filling all these informations, link the contact to an existing account if necessary. And after you finish all these modifications, third step is to save and manage accounts. Click Save here on the top right corner to add the contacts and use tags or custom fields to organize your contacts better. Yes, he is. And just like that, you can add tags here. You can enter the tags, and that's the contact informations will appear here. And that's how you create a contact in Zoho CRM. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have further more questions about this topic, feel free to leave a comment below the video and we'll be happy to answer it. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.